This is FreeYond M6, and today I would like to share a few useful camera tips and tricks for this device. So I would like to begin by showing you the camera pro mode. So you can scroll here at the bottom, you can scroll the various camera modes that this device has to offer. So scroll to the left or to the right, depending on, forget about it. So anyway, scroll the modes, select the pro mode, and while in a pro mode you are able to manually adjust the most important camera properties such as exposure, shutter speed, autofocus, ISO value, and white balance. So if you know exactly what kind of shot you are looking for and you would like to manually adjust the scenery that you see to match this result that you are anticipating, and you're not satisfied with how camera automatically sets those preferences and properties, you can absolutely go for the pro mode and customize your camera experience, should I say. Another interesting tip you might have not known about is hidden in the device's settings. So go into camera settings, and it is called the AI scene recognition, and once enabled it slightly improves the colors of your photos, the colors that you are capturing, especially if you are filming on outside when the sun is high, when there is a lot of sunlight. It will slightly enhance colors, make them more vibrant, etc., etc. Another interesting mode is called ultra resolution, and it allows you to capture photos but with better resolution. Let's compare the photo that I'll take in the regular capture mode, and then I'll take the identical photo but this time in the ultra res. Now let's open the photos details and see if there are any different. First I'll zoom in to see what level of details it retains, and then here is the resolution of this picture as well as the amount of megapixels it has been captured with. So it's 4K by 3K, 12.5 megapixels. And this one, on the contrary, is almost 50 megapixels, and the resolution is also doubled. And if I will be zooming in, as you can see, the level of detail that it retains is way higher and much better. It simply has more space to work with, more space to save those details to. So yeah, ultra resolution improves the quality of your photos as well as the amount of details those pictures are going to retain. Moving on, the last interesting tip that I have for you guys is called audio note. So go into the more section of modes here, enable this mode, and the way it works, you take a photo and then you can record an voice memo or voice note to follow this photo or to go alongside it up to 10 seconds. So first let's take a photo, and now we can record an audio note to go alongside it. So it actually starts automatically, and as you can see we can record up to 10 seconds. So let's use all that time. Now let's go into the gallery and open this photo by tapping at the speaker icon. Or, not the photo, but the audio note. Record an audio note to go alongside it. So it actually starts automatically, and as you can see we can record up to 10 seconds. So here you go. If you like this video, do not forget about leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye-bye!